The Naija Police don scatter we no go gree pipo with tear gas for Maitama area of Abuja during nationwide demonstration wey Take It Back movement and civil society group organize. The protest wey hold near Unity Fountain na to oppose how government dey misuse Cybercrime Act, bad economy and increasing insecurity for the country. Protesters carry placards with messages like "Stop the repression and let us breathe." Even though the protest dey peaceful, police just start to dey shoot tear gas scatter crowd. Dem arrest 2 people, including the group treasurer wey dem dey call Abosede Imana, and collect all their protest materials. Omoyele Sowore, wey be human rights activist and former presidential candidate, also join the protest. Take It Back national coordinator, wey dem dey call Juwon Sayeolu, condemn police action for statement and demand make dem release their members. Dem also ask government to review the Cybercrime Act wey dey threa ten free speech. Sanyaolu tok say the protest na to challenge wetin im call government too much power and to fight freedom of expression, especially for social media. The statement tok say dem dey use Cybercrime Act shut mouth of anybody wey dey talk against government, especially the youth wey dey active online. As of now, no report say people wound, but ten sion still rise for the area.
And our state president is censoring our rights. Yes. And we have told them also that the IGP of police that is leading the program today at Eagle Square is an illegal IGP of police. Yes. He must leave after 60 years
You must
of
go.
age and 35 years of being in power.
Yes.
That is the essence of our march today.
Yes.
Nobody can stop an idea whose time has come. Nobody can stop an idea whose time has come. As we are having this march today, it's happening in Lagos as well.
Yes.
It's happening in Port Harcourt.
Yes.
And these ones are rehearsals.
Yes.
The time will come where all Nigerians will come out and nobody can stop them.
Yes.
So we have advised our police friends or frenemies that they should go and tell their oga that we are going to the National Assembly.
Yes.
But because they no longer serve the people, that is why you keep hearing about, oh, we have a program, don't come out.
Yes.
Our program cannot be stopped by police program.
Yes.
So let them go and make the calls, let them radio to the illegal IGP.
Yes.
We want to move and nobody can stop us.
Nobody.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifeme Onosimwa, TMC News.